Hamilton's worst long-term care COVID outbreak ended last week, but that hasn't stopped dozens of staff from writing disturbing letters to a local MPP regarding the horrible conditions for residents and staff. They're hoping that they can block the current owners from regaining full control of the home once Hamilton Health Science leaves. The outbreak at Grace Villa was so bad in December that Hamilton Health Science sent over help to lend a hand to overworked staff. 44 people died in a span of 2 months, and 234 people were infected with the virus. However, the team-up reportedly paid off. Hamilton Health Science announced last week that the outbreak was officially over. HHS staff are expected to leave Grace Villa by mid-March, leaving owners APAN's Health Services back in full control, something Hamilton Mountain MPP Monique Taylor doesn't want to see happen.
We need to ensure that management doesn't have the ability, that the same management doesn't have the ability to take this home back over again.
Taylor says she received dozens of letters over the past 2 weeks from concerned staff regarding working conditions. Some wrote about being unable to wear N95 masks. Another details a shift where 9 residents were found lying in soiled and/or soaked briefs, wearing little or no clothing, and on bare mattresses that were saturated with urine.
They had no linens to be able to clean. They were cutting up a bed comforter. Really?
Taylor and the president of SCIU Healthcare, a union representing 60,000 frontline healthcare workers, want the Ford government to bar APANs from regaining control.
I certainly don't want my parents to have to go there, and I can't imagine how it feels for someone to have a loved one in one of these facilities and just what they're supposed to cross their fingers and hope for the best.
Mary Wraithby, the CEO of APANs, paid tribute to the lives lost via a statement, thanked HHS while committing to improvement. She says in part, quote, "Together, we are continuing on a path to enhance and maintain our legacy of exceptional resident care at Grace Villa." Wraithby was unavailable for further comment with CHCH News. And just now, the Ministry of Long-Term Care tells CHCH that while HHS is set to leave Grace Villa in mid-March, they say that if necessary, voluntary management contracts can be extended. Monique Taylor says in the meantime, ultimately, she'd like to see the province get rid of for-profit long-term care homes altogether.